What's up YouTube? My name is Blue Light Gaming, and today we gonna do another unboxing video. If you remember, I used to unbox a capture card. So the capture I used, the old one is kinda busted. So I purchased a new capture card. It's small, I don't know, the box is so small. It's nothing, it's just plain white. There's nothing on the, there's only have capture card on the back, the front, and again, front, top, and the back is nothing. Just plain white. So, that's nothing to suspect on this capture card. So, let's open the box and see what inside. So, the box came with the capture card itself. The capture card is so tiny, I cannot understand it. Okay, the capture card is so tiny, then you can use a lot of things. You can plug your phone, microphone, and here's the HDMI output. HDMI output for your monitor, if you want to put on your monitor. And here is HDMI input. HDMI input, and the input is where the source you're gonna put on. You put on your console or PlayStation or whatever. And here's the power button to activate the capture card. And almost the important part on this capture card is the 3.0 USB cable. Yes, you need the 3.0 USB cable. Came in this box itself. The USB 3.0 cable. HDMI don't come in this box. You need to purchase on your own. So we don't want to chit chat this long. Let's get to this assembly and get to the, let's assemble the capture card, and we're gonna explain that later on. Okay, see you. If you guys can see right now, I just put all the assembly to use the capture card. So here's the capture card, and here's how it looks if in full assembly. We got the HDMI output to go to your monitor or TV or whatever, and you got the HDMI input right here. Is this my hand are pointing right now here to go to your console or PlayStation or whatever. This HD capture card can capture your PlayStation, your PS4 or PS5 or Xbox or whatever. It's a 4K 3.0 capture card. So here's the 3.0 cable. I just hooked to my laptop, and this is the power to power the thing. So if you're wondering how do I gonna capture this capture card, so easy. See right now, see I put here over here and put here over there. So here you just go here to your laptop, just open what type of recording software you use. Like me, I use OBS. Just open OBS. Wait a couple minutes, need to take a word. See, if you can see right now, I already open OBS. Let me zoom you to where it goes. OBS, if you guys can see. So if you can see clearly right now, because hard for me to clear this. Okay, how you want to know how to capture? It's very simple. Just turn on your TV, just turn on the PlayStation, just press the power button, and you see the thing is not casting anything. So you need to turn on the switch, and wait a couple minutes. I don't know. Sorry about that, guys. I think I put a wrong HDMI. Sorry about. Here's how it looked like if in. You just need to it's very simple actually. Here, where's my cursor? Here, you just press a sequence and you just go here. Let me zoom a little bit. Hope you can see it better. If you guys can see right now, you just open sequence, name what you want, just press here. You press video capture and just go to, let me zoom a little bit if you can see it. You just go to here. If you want to open the source to do this, you just press here, press the plus icon and just press video capture device. So the video capture device, if you press it, it goes like this. You're gonna see pop up the window like this. Let me move the, see, it show me device, what device I'm using, and detail. If you want to just change it, I changed to custom, so I can change whatever I want with the resolution and frame rate. I can change whatever I want. If I want to change to 60 FPS or 50 or 30, that's on me. And click OK. So I don't want to ruin the thing and just cancel it. So if your capture card don't capture any audio, just open this one. Same as the previous one, like this one, you just press plus and go to, let me open, go to audio input capture. Is right here. You press here and you go, if the video, the audio capture device, input device will show like this. If you try to open it, it show like this. And device, digital audio input, USB digital audio. So that's it. I don't want to change anything. I'm just gonna press cancel. So that's it. You can play your PlayStation 4 on your laptop. If you want to save it, just simple it. You just press start. You can do live stream or do a little recording. That's on you. If you already, you can watch the playback. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay. Can go to where you send the file. So like me, I send on, I don't know. Maybe they're still here anyway, because I transfer my file. So isn't it here? Yes, it's here. Here I save the file. Here's the game file if I want to play the playback. Right now, if you want to play the playback. So yeah, I guess that's it. So I'm gonna back now. Gonna cross here. And I'm gonna change to preview myself again. So I guess this cut off and I see you right now. Hi guys, we back from all that shenanigan. So this is the new capture card I'm gonna use for making my video until the future, until I get a new one. So yeah, this is a new capture card. It's very tiny, it's light, it's small, but one thing I don't like is quickly overheating. Yes, this thing is small, but it's it's overheat. It's quickly overheating. So I need to be careful if I want to use it. It's because it's quickly overheat. So that's it. The 3.0 USB cable came in this box. It's very tiny. I need to purchase a long one. So yeah, that's it, I guess. And you see sorry about all the shenanigans on that. I putting the wrong HDMI. The PlayStation go to the input and the output go to the TV. That's why it's no turn around. But you learn something new every day. You make a mistake a lot, right? So that's good. So this is the new 4K 3.0 HD capture card. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I don't want to make it long. That's a lot I'm gonna cut off of my video. So yeah, I guess this is the end of me unboxing this video. So I'm gonna say goodbye to my old capture card and hello to the new capture card. I hope this can last for a long time. I hope. And always, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. If you subscribe, good. If you already subscribed, good for you. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Please support my channel. I don't know how I can make this. I need to make this impossible. And show me some love. And always, share my video. Share to anyone, your friend, your family, everyone. I don't care who it is. Just share it. Make this impossible. My target point to get this done. I need to get this public watch hour done. I need to get that subscriber done. And I can move on to another step. If this not settled down, I cannot move to another step. I need to wait. And I got a long time for this. So, yeah. I guess that's it. And always, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.